Magic Book of Record goes to Dr. Rajani Swargyari from the state of Assam. Dr. Rajani is doing exceptional work in the fields of education, social welfare, and cultural activities. So, Magic Book of Record is conveying their best wishes to Dr. Rajani Swargyari. एंड ये इवेंट जैसे कि मैंने बताया है ये इवेंट लाइव भी चल रहा है फेसबुक में with the username Magic Book of Records and YouTube में with the name Magic Book of Record.
Honorable Director, Magic Book of Records, Miss Christy Jada, and Honorable Chairman of Magic and Art University, respected staffs, dignified doctorate awardees from different regions of India, and honorable guests present here. I am going to introduce myself through these writings. I am Mr. Rajani Swargyari from Assam, living in a remote village of Assam. I was interested in culture and collective social works from my boyhood. I performed social and cultural activities from high school to college level also. I successfully became radio artist in 1979 and TV artist in 1988 as well. I used to write songs from high school stage. In this way, I was recommended as lyricist of modern song from All India Radio Guwahati in 1988. In 1988, I composed a book of song, Ziu Sahara by name. In this book, maximum songs are composed relating to Bodo nationalism, as it was during the time of Great Bodo movement. I performed and composed songs both in Bodo and Assamese. I performed my cultural activities on different stages for a long years of 40 years above. During my cultural life, I had to serve the All Bodo Cultural Organization, being as founder, general secretary, and then president of this said organization. I created 5 notes of audio cassettes of varied languages. I was the music director of Bodo film Garabthani Jarimin. During my social life, I was felicitated by different government agencies, departments and social organizations. It is seen that continuous effort leads to success in life. I don't know whether I have been successful or not. I only perseverantly engaged myself in my work of life. Consequently, today I have been invited in this event to receive the honorary doctorate award from Magic and Art University of Faridabad, Haryana, India. I thank to the authorities of Magic and Art University for conferring honorary doctorate award to me for the year of 2026 through this prestigious event. Thanks to all. Jai Hind.